Hello, good morning, students. Today's transcription number 184 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Sir, I am thankful to the members for the kind words they have said and references that they have made to the Railway Ministry and to the Railway Board. It will not be possible for me to reply to all the points that have been raised here, but I will take the broader questions and try to meet them. The budget has been appreciated that financially it is a sound budget. It has been suggested from certain quarters that the surpluses could be increased if more economy is effected in certain items of expenditure. I have been trying, and the Railway Board too, to see whether we could further economize in the various sectors of the running of the railways, and we will continue to do that. It has been appreciated by the whole House that the importance of the transport capacity of the country cannot be overemphasized. I am fully aware that what I have proposed in the budget, that is, the enhancement of the capacity for the transport of goods traffic in addition to what has been provided in the second 5 year plan, will not be enough to meet the requirements of the country. It is not that we are not aware of that, but we have at the present moment to try to increase the capacity only according to the resources that may be available to us. And when I speak of the resources, I do not mean only monetary resources, but I mean also the material resources. As I have said, I am not going into details. Of course, it is a very relevant point that has been raised by Dr. Kunzru, but I am not going into all those details. All that I say is that even this enhanced capacity will not be sufficient, and the railways will not be in a position to meet all the requirements of the country in the matter of transportation of goods traffic. And I was saying that when were thinking of resources, we had to keep in view not only the monetary resources but the material resources also. We have never made it a secret that we are in a very tight corner as regards steel, cement, and timber. My honorable friend Dr. Kunzuru asked what we were going to do about that, and some honorable members asked whether we cannot think of alternative materials.